Yes, continue. Video number 2. Graph of signum function. X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. F0 is 0. Since signum function is -1 if x is less than 0 and 1 if x is greater than 0 and 0 if x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, fx is equal to 0. At x is equal to 1, f1 is equal to 1. At x is equal to 2, f2 is equal to 1. At x is equal to 3, f3 is equal to 1. At x is equal to -1, f -1 is equal to -1. At x is equal to -2, f -2 is also -1. At x is equal to -3, f -3 is equal to -1. So points are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. At x is equal to 4. Similarly, f4 is also equal to 1. And -1, -1, -2, -1, -3, -1. So graph of this function is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, -1, -1, -2, -1, -3, -1. It is graph of signum function. Next is greatest integer function. Which is also important. Greatest integer function. F is a function defined from real number to real number such that fx is equal to greatest integer x, where x belongs to R. It is read as greatest integer less than or equal to integer. Example, greatest integer of 3/2 is equal to 1 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. Greatest integer of 5/4 is 1 whole 1/4, that is 1. Greatest integer of 0 is 0. Greatest integer of 2 is 2. Greatest integer of -3/2, that is -1 whole 1/2. Then less than integer is -2. -5/4 -1 whole 1/4, that is -2. These are the integer values. So domain of f is set of real number and range of greatest integer function is integers, set of integers. X is equal to 0, fx is greatest integer of 0 is 0. X is equal to 1, 0.1 then greatest integer of 0.1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0.5. Then 0.5 greatest integer is also 0. 0.9 greatest integer of 0.9 is equal to 0. And greatest integer of 1, that is 1. So points are 0, 0, 0.1, 0, 0.5, 0, 0.9, 0. When you put x equal to 1, then it becomes 1. Next 1.1, 1, 1.5, 1, 1.9, 1, and add 2, it becomes 2. Like these type points, locate on the graph. When you put x is equal to minus 0.1, then greatest integer of minus 0.1 is equal to minus 1. Add x equal to minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 is also equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 0.9. Minus 0.9 is equal to minus 1. So points are minus 0.1, minus 1, minus 0.5, minus 1, minus 0.9, minus 1, and x equal to minus 1 is also greatest integer minus 1. Next is x is equal to minus 1.1. Greatest integer of 1.1 is minus 2. Minus 1.5. Greatest integer of minus 1.5 is minus 2. Greatest integer of minus 1.9 is minus 1.9. Greatest integer is minus 2. When you put x equal to minus 2, it is also integer, so it becomes minus 2. Then points are minus 1.1, minus 2, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 1.9, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So locate these points on graph. Add 0, x is equal to 0. Greatest integer of 0 is 0. So 0, 0 lies at origin. When you put x equal to 0.1, x equal to 0.1, that is equal to 0, 0.2. When you put x is equal to 1, then graph is at 1. 1.1, 1.2, 1.9, graph is this line. And when you put x equal to 2, then it becomes 2. Minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, like minus 1. When you put x equal to minus 1.1, minus 1.1, then it becomes minus 2. Minus 1.5, minus 1.9, and when you put x is equal to minus 2, it is minus 2. So it is graph of greatest integer function. Algebra of functions. First way, a rule is addition for two real function. Addition of two real function. F is a function let from defined from x to r, and g is another function. It is also defined from x to r. We are in two functions where x is a real number. It is a subset of real number, Then we define f plus g such that defined from x to r by f plus g on x is equal to fx plus gx. For all x belongs to capital X. Next is subtraction. Subtraction of two real function. It is same for addition. F minus g on x, f minus g defined from x to r such that f minus g operate on x is equal to fx minus gx for all x belongs to capital X. Multiplication by a scalar. F is a function from x to r and alpha be any real number, then alpha f of x is equal to alpha into fx. X belongs to x.